foremost to all of you guys, because if it weren't for you, there would be no Best of the Best. You truly inspire the Bob Swag year after year to put on this event. It's your hard work, dedication, and talent that inspires us, and we thank you. I want to make sure, and Bob Swag wants to make sure you all know, we could not do this without our sponsors. This year, for the first time ever, we have tons and tons of amazing sponsors who have graciously given products, money, restaurants, food, everything and anything you can imagine that you see this weekend are because of our sponsors. Just to name a few, Primus Lingo, they're a telecommunications company. They are our grand sponsor who will be present at the show. They are so excited to see you guys. They've watched your videos, they've seen BobTube.tv, they've seen the talent, they've seen your websites, they've seen your invitations, and they are absolutely impressed by your talent. And it is because of you guys that they sponsored us, so thank you. And also Patel Brothers, our local Chicago grocery store. Yes, all the Patels! They're actually the first Indian grocery store in the entire country. Also, for the first time ever, BOB4 will have text voting, just like American Idol. Viewers' Choice Awards. All audience members, tell all your friends, tell all your family. We are powered by msnack.com. You will enter, all of the audience members will enter a short code, and they'll enter the team of their choice. And within the next 20 minutes, all of you will know who the Viewer's Choice Award will be awarded to. This will all be done automatically within 20 minutes after all the performances are done. Okay, so big shout out to the sponsors, big applause. The one for them who wouldn't be here today. Bob Swag really is so excited for this weekend. We believe in the little things, and we hope you have a fantastic experience.